I'm back from another vlog. So, yung vlogmas last ko, this will be New Year's Day vlog. New Year's Eve vlog. Pero, makakarating pa rin to hanggang New Year's Day. So, I'm back from another vlog. Eventually, I'm not uploading still the other vlogs, like the last vlogmas, the vlogmas, the final vlogmas, and of course may isa pa akong hindi na-upload na video for 2017 at susunod ko to. Bali tatlong sunod-sunod, wait, mamalat yung ano ko. Tatlong sunod-sunod na video ang upload ko. Pero hindi naman sunod-sunod. By the day, always away. By the day, pero ngayon is New Year's Eve, so bali ano naman, magta 2018 na at wala pa din ako na-upload ng isang video sa mga nangyari sa mga videos ko. And eventually it's 2018 now, new life, of course, dilemma. So, bali, ang handa namin is mag-carbonara ako tsaka chicken cordon bleu. Yun lang. And then rice. Kasi ayaw namin ng bonggang-bongga, you know. Bonggang Christmas, you know. At eventually, hindi naman sa nagtitipid, pero konti lang kami, dalawa lang kami dito sa bahay. And we don't need much of, you know, pagkain. We're not like a whole family that we're going here. Just not like in my Christmas vlog na madami kami naging putahe. Of course, for New Year, I brought some apples and oranges. Di ko na sinama yung grapes kasi sobrang mahal. Pero, yun. I'll see you guys. I will update you guys. Maybe I'm going to the church this time. Maybe 5. And yeah, I need to take a shower. Because I went to Palengke a while ago and bought some stuffs. That fruits thing a while ago and yun. So yeah, I'll update you later. Hey! We there! It's squad! It's squad! It's squad! It's squad! Ahumen!
Papanorin muna natin!
Saan?
Uy, doon na tayo! Ayun o!
Magpapaputok din tayo doon sa kabila. Gigigil ako sa inyo. Tapos na! And so, pupunta kami sa smoking area. Smoking area. Which is na sobrang daming. Oy, nasaan na kayo?
Ay, ang liit!
Asan na kayo? Woo! Tatalon ako! Tatalon ako! Tatalon ako! Ayan na, tatalon ako! Woo! Tatalon ako! Tatalon ako! Tatalon ako! Ayan na, tatalon ako!
Oh, putik! May nahulog sa akin ka mo na ano.
Wala sa akin.
Yeah!
Happy New Year, Beshi.
Happy New Year.
Balit na tayo ng...
Kahit ako,
Really?
pumasok ako.
Really? Gold?
Yup, gold.
Okay.
Gold-plated.
Look, the gold.
Ano?
It's real gold. You even see in white. Yeah, it's gold.
Kahit ako,
Really?
pumasok ako.
Really? Gold?
Yup, gold.
Okay.
Gold-plated.
Look, the gold.
Ano?
It's real gold. You even see in white. Yeah, it's gold. Hey guys, so I'm back from another vlog. So, I finally get rest from, you know, from yesterday. So yeah, I didn't film a lot, but I saved all that story happening because I didn't get this iPad for filming and stuff because I am using this one as my, music at my house here. And then I was outside. I didn't film. I missed all the fireworks and stuff, but I have on my IG story, so I save it, and that happened. So, yeah, that happens to my New Year, and I celebrated with Rap's parents, of course, because I'm only alone here. But I cook carbonara, and I brought like a chicken cordon bleu, and that's what I did eat. And tomorrow I might eat that some of them. So yeah, and this January 3 is our class, starting of our class again. So maybe this will be the last thing on this video. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video and give this one a thumbs up, and please subscribe for this video. And yeah, I hope to see you guys in the next vlog, and there's a lot of more vlogs that I need to post. Yeah, bye guys.